recap of our last round. Buddy is in first place with his sweet yams baked to the perfect golden brown. Holly is in third place with his snow cream sundae soaked with marshmallows warm and toasted. And Jingles brings in the back with a souffle that didn't fall but instead exploded. Now it's time for the final round. We can hardly wait to see what holiday food abounds. Our judges are ready to taste. So let's get started. There's no time to waste. Once we gave it to Henry, our neighbor. He gave it to Martha on the bus.
Ready, brought it back to us. Oh no! It's an everlasting fruitcake. Ta-da!
Our red velvet poinsettia cake will no doubt be your favorite, but be sure to remove the decorations before you savor it. What is your holiday fave that you think will take the gold? I present to you everyone's favorite potluck dish, green bean.
Casserole, casserole. There one way I can eat them where they play the perfect role. You put them in a dish and make a green bean casserole.
Fritters turn into this ugly winter sweater. May I wear it, please? I really need it for this next routine. No, it's deplorable.
It's beautiful, horrendous, magnificent. Open for you and you'll see. No! It's such a lovely sweater. It's a very lovely sweater.
In second place is contestant 1. Your everlasting fruitcake was lots of fun. Please take it with you when you depart. We're afraid we can't get rid of it, though we've tried hard. A consolation prize goes to contestant 4 because his tenacity could not be ignored. How he baked the sweater, we will never know, but it sure made quite a show.